Student, today we'll study plant biotechnology. First, we'll see the definition of plant biotechnology. So, the plant biotechnology can be defined as the introduction of desirable traits into plant through genetic modifications. Plant biotechnology is a set of techniques used to adapt plant for specific needs or opportunities. Situations that combine multiple needs for opportunities are common. For example, a single crop may be required to provide sustainable food and health nutrition, protection of environment and opportunities for jobs and income. Finding or developing suitable plants is typically a highly complex challenge. Next, we'll see how technology, science, and engineering are related to each other. Um, so, first one is science. Science, the study, the natural phenomenon that is cryoprotein in Bacillus thuringiensis. It has a it has insecticidal properties. The next, engineering, applying scientific knowledge or principles to design, create, or build something. Example, development of transgenic cotton carrying crybeam of BT. Next, technology. Apply scientific principles and apply the engineering tools and devices to create a new thing for human welfare which does not exist in nature. Example, that is the BT cotton. So science is depend on engineering, engineering depend on technology, and technology is depend on science. So science, engineering, and technology are dependent on each other. The next, what is biotechnology? So there are few definitions are there according to Merriam-Webster. So first definition is biotechnology is the use of an organism or a component of an organism or other biological system to make a product or a process for a specific use. This is a common definition. Then next, biotechnology is the manipulation as through genetic engineering of living organism or their components to produce useful, usually commercial products such as pest resistant crops, new bacterial strains, or novel pharmaceuticals. This is defined by Merriam Webster. Then, next, for student definition for students. So, this is given by Merriam Webster. So, biotechnology is the use of techniques from genetic to combine inherited characteristics selected from different kinds of organisms into one organism in order to produce useful products such as drugs. Then, next, medical definition of biotechnology. Biotechnology is the manipulation as through genetic engineering of living organisms or their components to produce useful, usually commercial products as a novel pharmaceuticals. This is also given by Merriam-Webster. Then it is refined definition by U.S. Office of Technology Assessment. Any techniques that uses living organisms to make or modify products to improve plants or animals or to develop microorganisms for specific purposes. So these are the definitions of biotechnology. Then biotechnology. Biotechnology are of two types, that is non-gene biotechnology and gene biotechnology. So non-gene biotechnology deals with the whole cell, tissues, or even individual organism. Plant tissue culture, somatic hybrid, seed production, microbial fermentation, production of hybridoma antibodies or immunochemicals are widespread biotechnology practices. Then gene biotechnology. Gene biotechnology involves gene manipulation and cloning, etc. Then next we'll see The color coded branches in biotechnology. Color coded shows the various colors are there in biotechnology. So there are red, white, green, and blue. So red biotechnology is the biotechnology applied to medical processes. Red biotechnology is applied to medical processes. Then white biotechnology, also known as a gray biotechnology, is a biotechnology applied to industrial process. White biotechnology is for industrial processes. Then next, green biotechnology is biotechnology applied to agriculture processes. Then blue biotechnology has also been used to describe the marine and aquatic applications. So these are the color branches: red for medical, white for industries, green for agriculture, blue for marine or aquatic appliances. The next, that is DNA technology, a technique used to make many copies of DNA sequence. This is called as polymerase chain reaction. PCR is used in many diagnostic tests and forensic applications, as well as in a basic laboratory research. Modern biotechnology depends on the ability to analyze, manipulate, and cut and paste pieces of DNA, that is recombinant DNA technology. And next topic, we are going to see the recombinant DNA technology. Example, siRNA techniques in tomato, BT cotton, only crop allowed in India, golden rice, etc. These are what the technique, DNA technology or modified plants. Examples of DNA analysis and manipulation techniques. So here, DNA cloning. DNA cloning is inserting a target gene into a circular DNA molecule, is called as a plasmid, and can be replicated in a bacteria to make many copies, or is expressed in the bacteria to produce protein such as insulin used by diabetics. So this is DNA cloning. It is DNA cloning is done by using the plasmid, and it can be held to copies of DNA or copies of expressed bacteria to produce a protein. The next, polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, produce many copies of a target DNA sequences starting from piece of template DNA. Many copies of DNA produced from the PCR, polymerase chain reaction. The next, gel electrophoresis. Visualize, directly see DNA fragments. Then DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing is a sequence of nucleotide bases in a DNA molecule. Then biotechnology in prehistoric, means the history of biotechnology. Domestication of animal, dog, 12,000 years ago. Agriculture production 1100 years ago. In South Asia, the Fertile Crescent, North China and South China. Farming is a more acceptable and widely understood term for this activity. Then fermentation. Fermentation, food processing system such as brewing beers, winemaking, baking bread, rely on yeast to alter the properties of raw materials. Sewage treatment, complex community of microbes, not known as a biotechnology at that time. So these are prehistoric, that is the history of biotechnology. Then the history. The word biotechnology was coined by Hungarian agricultural engineer Karl Irke in 1917 for raising pigs on sugar beets as their primary food source. Historical events that lead to the development of biotechnology. So here some historical events are there, so that leads to the development of biotechnology. In 1810, Brown described nucleus as a central feature in a plant cell. In 1838, Sheldon and Shevin proposed cell theory. In 1865, Mendel published his experimental result on an inheritance of traits in peas. In 1869, Mesher reported that DNA is a major component of the nucleus. In 1900, Mendel's results are rediscovered and the science of genetics begins. Law of heredity are confirmed in plants. In 1875, Strasburger described chromosomes. Historical event in between 1900 to 1915. In 1902, Sutton described chromosome theory. In 1903, Buchner discovered the enzymes. In 1911, Morgan proposed the gene theory. Genes are linearly arranged along chromosomes in a definite order. In 1917, Karl Irke coined the term biotechnology. In 1928, Griffith discovered genetic transduction in bacteria. In 1935, Stanley isolated tobacco mosaic virus in crystalline form. In 1944, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy showed the significance of DNA in hereditary transmission in bacteria. In 1944, Barbara McClintock discovered the transposable elements. In 1952, Chase and Haase shows that the gene was DNA. In 1953, Watson has shows the DNA double helix model. In 1954, Sanger gave the complete structure of a protein molecule, that is insulin. In 1958, Biddle and Tatum discovered that one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis, one gene regulates one definite chemical processes. In 1958, Crick proposed the central dogma of life or molecular biology. In 1959, Kornberg synthesized in a vitro deoxyribonucleotide nucleotides, that is DNA. In 1961, Crick produced direct evidence that the genetic code is a triplet. In 1961, Jacob and Monod regulatory genes operand concept. In 1968, Nirenberg and Khorana proposed genetic code for amino acids. In 1917, Temin and Baltimore discovered reverse transcriptase. In 1972, Khorana synthesized entire tRNA gene. In 1973, Boyer and Cohen established recombinant DNA. Historical events in between 1975 to 2000. In 1978, Nathan Smith and Arber discovered restriction enzymes. In 1983, engineered TI plasmid used to transform plants. In 1983, Carl Mullis discovered polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR. In 1984, Jeffrey introduced DNA printing to identify individuals. In 1990, Human Genome Project officially initiated and physical and genetic map was published in 2000. In 1995, the first genetically engineered potato resistant to the Colorado potato beetle is sold in Canada. Canada is the first country in the world to grow biotech crops. In 1997, nuclear cloning of a mammal, a sheep, dolly, with a differentiated cell nucleus was done. In 2000, Craig Venter and Francis Collins announced the first draft human genome sequence. In 2002, complete draft genomic sequence of rice published. This is just to list a few well-known historical events. The next is the modern biotechnology. The modern biotechnology has started few decades ago. The original vision of earlier biotechnology altered by a series of development in the life sciences. First one is isolate genes from any organism. Second, modify and manipulate these genes. And third, put these altered genes back into various organisms. So this is modern biotechnology. And next, most important modern biotechnologies were the development of vaccines, antibodies, insect resistant crops, nutrient fortified crops, post harvest improvement, etc. In 20th century had the era of chemicals and electronics, but in the 21st century is the era of biotechnology. We will likely see our understanding of biological processes but to greater using changing how we live our lives. So thank you. Next class we'll see the next point.